right. So Busta Rhymes is in Paris cooking and chilling at the same time as the legend continues his European tour. But he says there is a lot of dudes out here making noise, and it's important to prioritize eliminating the noise.
Yeah, so, you know, sometimes it's super important that you understand how to prioritize eliminating the noise. You know, you're making a lot of noise. It just be noise that don't even mean nothing, and you just gotta eliminate that. Focus on what you're supposed to be doing. We in Paris, back on our European tour run. But before I even get into that run, we got a whole nother surprise that we out here cooking up. Feel me? Yeah, you know. Yeah. You know. Yeah. God is the greatest, yo. You know, a couple of plants and a couple of flowers and you know, at the end of the day, it's about being great. More flowers and Paris, we here. Feels good to be back in Paris, you know? Enjoying life and enjoying, it's a lot of great I ain't gonna talk too long. Matter of fact, wait. Let me just show you how we really on it. Studio on deck too in the who's scat. Studio, yeah. The cooking don't stop, the chefing don't stop. We will never put the pots up. Stay tuned.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.